Yes, what my people, I'm here again once more. Big up, respect, and manners to each and everyone. My people, the amount of persons me here make complain about NCB. Me I talk about the bank, NCB. You see me? The amount of videos me see on social media where me hear persons in those videos basically a complain about NCB and about money missing and different type of situations and so forth. See me? My people, I'm going to present a video to you. I'm going to listen carefully to some words that a person said in this video about NCB. In my point of view, I think that this person point out at least one valid point. I hope that this video can help bring some form of awareness for the subscribers, because it's not easy to know that you just lose your money at a place where you think it's secure. Listen and observe and tell me what you think.
No, evening people. Good evening. I just come in. Me I come from down at NCB. You understand me? Alright. Last night after 9 I come in. I'm tired and stuff and we want some food to eat. I see one look at text come in. A notification from NCB. So somebody I try to go in my account 2 times but it failed. I mean for contact customer service. Well, I never have no credit on my phone for call them. I never know so them customer service work for 24 hours. I never know because enough time you call them and you not get them. So I never know so them have customer service for 24 hours.
Yeah, you're listening up.
Alright, I say in the morning I go call them. I get up, I carry my baby go to a doctor, run to a clinic. She go get a look of vaccine to them. She get a look of vaccine, I reach her work and say, alright, I go call customer service. Then I tell myself to check my account. When I check my account, all of my money gone out of my account. All of my money gone out of my account. When I check the account and look. I link transfer. My money gone and link transfer. No, tell me now. I don't have a link account. You understand me? I don't have a link account. And link a Bank of Jamaica make link. Bank of Jamaica make link. You understand me? Alright. I go down at NCB and talk to customer service. Them say next week Wednesday me for come back. Me for come back with a new email, new password, new username, and I go get back new card.
Yes.
And the matter I investigate. Them put it for them investigate it. No, you tell me NCB link a Bank of Jamaica is still a bank. You tell me you know. You tell me you know. But online banking, our account supposed to safe. Nobody out of work can hack NCB accounts can hack them something.
Listen.
Nobody out of work cannot hack them something.
Listen.
And the teller them in there. And the worker them in there. And the worker them in there thief people and they need to stop it. NCB, yeah, pay a thief and put in on a bank. I pay a thief working on a bank, NCB. Pay a thief working on a bank.
But people, tell me if you agree or if you disagree with some words that the person said in the video. It's not done yet, you know. The video is not done yet. I'm asking you if you agree or if you disagree with some words that the person said in the video. Listen.
I thief people money. Me go want back my one. Me down a Joke Street bank and me see a man come in. Him say him 200 or 1,000 just disappear. Him no know where he gone. It just vanish out of him account. Come on man NCB, you have to stop it. You have to stop it. Leave people money. If you boss not pay you good, go to the boss and make him pay you. And thief the boss. When you thief people for? And the boss, I might get the interest and the big money, them thief him and leave the local people their money in them account. NCB underneath for hire people, we're not thief. I pay a thief and I put it on the system for thief people. And then you come on and talk about this, that, and never knows about. And somebody join, and if people know on our password, and if people know on this, and people nobody know nothing for me. So I wanna do it. Me need my money. I make sure next week Wednesday when me go, the 27th of December, Me can't get my money. Me need my money. NCB, me gonna need my money.
Me say me people, a one big solution me say for the whole of them complaining. Say, go back to the way how people used to do banking. Give back people them bank book. Give people back them bank book, brethren. Right? And when we go and put on the money or withdraw money or whatever, the book, stamp, date night, this, that, you name it. That's it. At least give the option where if a person wants to do film banking digitally with the card and no book, fine. And then give some people who feel better having a bank book, give them that option. See? But a lot of complaints I make. And then whenever some form of transaction make, whether it wants to be a withdrawal or so forth, to buy a card or so forth, you know, this email to notify you say your bank account somewhat do some form of transaction or whatever. The email I'm talking about. See, sometimes you not pay attention to email. You know, it's not like you're there online 24/7 and look for see if an email are coming if somebody, you know what I mean? Look, I'm not trying to disrespect no bank, no brand, nobody at all. But I'm just saying, just give the option where if a person wants to have a bank book instead of a card, make the person have that option. Because right now, based on the amount of complaints when I hear, me myself start to think. And this will make some people don't feel safe. If you agree with me, I say, let me know in the comment section. Alright? If you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. Now here I am going to present a video to you that I recorded in Jamaica. And this video that I'm about to present to you is going to show some things that happened at the scene of where a motor car crashed into a motor vehicle that some people might call a JCB 540-170 motor vehicle. Some people might also call the motor vehicle a tractor. Now, according to information that I got, it is said that a person was driving the motor car, and at some point the motor car crashed into the motor vehicle that some people might call the JCB 540-170 motor vehicle. It is said that at least one person had been injured when it comes on to the incident. During subscribers, I didn't get much confirmed information about the situation. However, I'm going to present the video to you so that you can take a look at the video for yourself. You can also let me know what you think. And please bear in mind that this video shows some things that happened at the scene of where one motor vehicle crashed into another motor vehicle. So before I present this video to you, this is a warning that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised for this video. Observe.
Really on this. No, I see everything. Everything. Take it down. I'm a slamming eye. Everything. No, I'm not listening to this video, boy. Why are you grimy? Really, you're not.
That's a horrible scene right there, my people. Horrible, you know. Alright, so here's where I'm going to leave it. Let me know what you think about that type of situation. If you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. Until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up.